today, we're going to do a little centerpiece for a party, but we're going to use the rainbows. I'm not a party planner or anything like that. This is what I would do at my daycare for the kids when we change up the themes and stuff like that. I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought 20 balloons. This came from the Dollar Tree as well, the inflatable rainbow. And it comes with a straw and you blow it up by your mouth. It also has holes in there, so we're going to tie the string through there. This came from the Dollar Tree, as you've seen in my last video, the ribbon. This came from the Dollar Tree, so this is like just for a little bit of weight to keep it down. I got the balloon in there, put the balloon up in there, just so it can stay on there. So I have 8 balloons already blown up. We're just going to tie them together. So we just pull them all out. We just tie them like this. Like that. And we're just going to take 4 around like that. And we're going to tie it to this one right here. I believe I got the right one. This one right here. Like that. So it's going to keep it. It's going to keep it down like that. So that's our first row. The second row, we're going to start here. And we're going to do the same exact thing. Tie in 2 balloons up together. Like that. Let me get the last 2. You can have them matching if you want to. These, I just picked any color because these usually the colors that's in the rainbow. This also was the last color I had in the backpack. So we do the same thing again. Tie them together. We're going to tie. Like this. We can also untie it with the string real fast. Let me take a piece of string off. I just got a piece of string. And I'm just going to take it like this. Around. Finish that down. Sorry guys, I should have made my string a little bit longer. Okay. I'm going to take it off the camera for a second and I should do. I'll make my string longer. I made the string longer for the string. And you pull it down like so. I'm just going to pull it right inside. You're not going to see it. I'm just going to wrap it around. Okay. So it's still sitting up there like that. For this one, we're going to have, let me get some more string. We're going to tie that with the string. Remember I told you that it's got a little hole right there. It has 2, but we just want to use 1 hole. And I'm going to bring the string through. And again, I'm not an event decorator or anything like that. This is what I would do for my daycare kids when we have theme parties. This is the stuff that I do. And they'd be excited when they see this stuff. just bring it through like this, just so it wouldn't move. And you can see, so we got 8 balloons stacked for the bottom, for the top, and we have the rainbow at the top. We got the glass jar with the balloon sitting in the middle, just to give it a little bit of weight so it won't blow away. So this is what I would do for my daycare kids. Again, I'm not an event planner, but this is when we do like rainbows and rain and stuff like that. I would have this sitting up there, and the kids would like it when they come in the daycare center. But you could use this also for a little party favor, party decoration, if that's what you choose to do. Thank you for watching.